Hello, I'm Design Guy. Today I'll show you the easiest way to turn your photos into PDFs right on your iPhone. Now, if we want to convert a photo to PDF, we'll start by opening the Photos app, where all our captured moments are stored, and then click on the camera icon to access our camera roll. And from there, we'll select the photo we want to convert by clicking on it, which will open it in full screen. We've successfully captured the photo we want to convert to a PDF document now. After selecting our photo, we'll go to the Share button, which allows us to share or save our photo in various ways, and then click on Save to Files, which enables us to save it locally on our device. Here, we'll choose where we want to save our photo, which is a necessary step before converting it to PDF. After saving, we'll open our Files app, where all our saved documents and photos are stored. After opening our Files app, we can see all our saved files and photos. We will then locate and double tap on our saved photo to open it. By doing so, we'll get the Quick Actions menu, which offers various options to manipulate our photo. We have to click on the Quick Actions option and then select Create PDF, which is the step that actually converts our photo into a PDF document. We'll then open our newly created PDF, so we can see our document in its new format. And that's it, our photo is now converted to a PDF document. Learned how to convert photos to PDF on iPhone. Like and subscribe for more tips.